What is classes and objects in Python? In today's video we will learn about classes and objects, with 2 real-world examples. So please like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. A class in Python is a blueprint or template for creating objects. It defines the attributes and methods that the objects created from it will have. An object is an instance of a class. When you create an object from a class, you bring that blueprint to life with actual data. Think of a class like a blueprint. When you build a house, you use a plan or design. But the house doesn't exist until you build it. In Python, a class is like that plan. It defines what an object should be, but it's not the object itself. An object is the actual thing you build from the blueprint. It's like building a house from that plan. So, in Python, an object is created from a class. Here, my car is an object of the car class. We will use the class blueprint to create an actual car object, a red Tesla. Let's make it more relatable. Imagine a bakery. The class is like the recipe for a cake. It defines the ingredients and steps. But the cake doesn't exist until the baker follows the recipe to bake it. In Python, an object is the cake made from the recipe. Here, my cake is an object of the cake class. It's a large chocolate cake, baked from the recipe. So remember, a class is like a blueprint or recipe, and an object is the real-world thing built from it. This concept is super important in Python for creating reusable and organized code. Want to learn more Python concepts? Hit the subscribe button, and let's keep coding together.